first method, click to start, type clean mgr. You can see this disk cleanup. Then check program and temporary internet file. You can also check the recycle bin and then click to. After that, just complete it, then okay, and then delete file. This is unwanted file to delete, which is temporary recycle bin and like that. Okay. Then second method, click to start and click, then say go to setting. Click to privacy and setting, then Windows security, then open Windows security, then click to trade and protection, slow down, click to manage and turn off real-time protection. Yes, then close. Next guys, zoom uninstall and reinstall. Click to start and type zoom workstation, just right click to uninstall. After that, you just scroll down, you can see this, then click to three dot and then click on install. Okay, it is done, then close. After that, open any browser, type zoom download, then hit enter. You can see this is official website www. And click to 64-bit. You can see this is downloading start. Wait few seconds to complete. Okay, and this is you can check and uncheck it. This is for the update. Okay, automatically, and then join to meeting and create. See, please check it with me. So guys, first method, click to start, type CMD and right click to run as administrator, run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is four command. First one sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete. Then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you, okay, then third one. And guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this four command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.